welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. My name is Cynthia. I hope you guys are doing well. By the title of this video, you already know what's happening. Yes, it's a different content. Up to now, I've been having content based on natural hair or wigs, but today I will show you something different. Those that know me privately, you know that I love doing DIYs. I really enjoy it. I'm not a pro in doing it because I just do it like here and there, but I really enjoy those content, and I love watching content that has to do with like DIY. What I love about doing things yourself is that you can just work with your budget. That is what I like the most about it, because nowadays furnitures are so expensive, things are so expensive that you're like, it's not really worth it. Also, you can just go wild and just do something unique that nobody else sells out there, and you make it your own. Today I'll be showing you how I did this shelving behind me, budget friendly. This cost about 45 euros, and I was initially going for a look like this right here, but it was so expensive. I'm just gonna be showing you the way I achieved it. I made some mistakes in between. Well, good for you, because you don't have to do the same mistakes. But I still enjoyed the process. So let me just break down the cost for you. This shelving, there are two. This how it actually looked when I got it. They each cost 10 euros. And then I got 3 spray paints. They were under 8 euros, I think. Yeah, I spent, for the spray paint, I spent 7 euros roughly. And for the contact paper, I got it on Amazon for 14 euros, and I used like 1.5 for this DIY. You can definitely get a cheaper contact paper if you want, but I just wanted something gold. I was going for something specific, that's why I actually got this, but you can definitely find something for way cheaper than this for 4 euros. Oh, before I forget, have you subscribed to my channel? Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't. I would really appreciate your support. Comment down below and also leave a like on this video. I appreciate you guys. Thank you, and now we can dive right into it. So after I built the shelf from Ikea, this is how it looked. I spray painted it with the 1 coat of primer, and then I went ahead and did a coat of the black spray paint. I will advise you to do this step outside, maybe on your balcony or in a garden or something, but definitely not in your apartment. I don't even know why I actually did it in my apartment, but whatever. I had spray dust all over, like just like dark dust everywhere, really in every corner. I cleaned, but I still missed some spots, so do this outside if you can. After the spray paint was dry, I went ahead and cleaned all surfaces to make sure all dust or dirt is removed off it. Now let's get to this contact paper. I was struggling. I was really struggling at first to figure out a method that it's easy and also fast. So I tried doing this. I just put it right on without any preparation, and yeah, try to cut around every corner. That took a lot of time. I would definitely not recommend this method. It really didn't make any sense. So now you can just watch me struggle for some seconds. So this is how it looked. It looked pretty decent, but I know I was not going to do that a second time. So what I did is that I took like a cut of the contact paper and tried to cut around like the edges using the first layer of the shelving, so I can use that as a template to do the rest. I hope it's understandable. The good thing about this method for me is that the edges were looking the same. So this is what I basically did. I put a carton underneath, and then I just trace up whatever I already did before, and I did like multiple at the same time, so I don't have to like do one, go back to it. And this was way faster than the method I did before. So I just put it back on and try to just make sure it's even on every side and there was no bubbles in. The best method for me doing this was putting the contact paper on but not removing the back side, the sticky side off yet. So I would start on one side, remove the contact paper, and then work my way up gradually, just as you see in this video. So in the middle of doing all this, I noticed that I wasn't having enough contact paper to do all 8 shelving, and I wasn't really ready to wait a couple of days to order more. So I decided to spray paint the first and the last shelf. So I use zip ties to hold the top and the bottom of the shelving in the middle to make sure they don't separate and move around. So what do you guys think about the end result? Leave a comment down below, like this video if you do like it, and subscribe if you haven't. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.